Hello, welcome to this video on performing one-dimensional array addition, subtraction as well as multiplication. Even you can do division also. So how the steps are? The first step is we need to declare the necessary variables. Then we need to get first array as input from the user. Then second array as input from the user. If you have both the arrays, then perform addition of two arrays, then display the result. So these are all the steps which we need to follow to perform one-dimensional array addition. Let us go to that uh, C compiler. Right? I'm going to use this compiler, right? Dev compiler. So all the steps I have written it here. That is declare the necessary variables, get first array as input. All those things I have declared. And I have declared in the beginning, I have included a standard input output file, then void main void. Here I'm going to declare the first step is a name. I'm going to declare the necessary variables. So I need two arrays to store the variables. So integer, one array of size 5. That is one, then another one, second array of size 5, and to store the results I'm using a third array of again of size 5. Then I'm using one iteration variable I. Then to get the input from the user, that is first array as an input from the user, I'm going to write like this: for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Right, 5 times this loop is going to iterate. Scan of percentage d, that is percentage yield. This is because I'm going to get the integer type as variable. Then I'm going to store it at the address of a of I. Right. So just to have a clarity, I'm going to have a print statement here like this. Printf. So enter the elements of first array. So /n type 5. So 5 times this is going to rotate here. I have the one mistake. I is equal to 0. I have to mention it. I is equal to 0. I less than 5 and I plus plus. 5 times the loop can rotate and 5 times it can try to store the values in array A. Right? If A is equal to the I is equal to 0, A of 0 will be received from the user, and I is equal to 1, A of 1 like the same goes. Okay. Then to get the second array as an input, again I'm going to follow the same steps. Printf /n. So enter the elements of second array, right? /n. Then again, I'm going to use one loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, like I plus plus. So I'm going to get like this. Scanf percentage d. Then I'm going to solve it in at the address of b of I, right? B of I. So 5 times again this loop in rotate and that will be stored in array B. Now I need to perform the addition of two arrays. So for this, I'm going to have another one loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, I. C of I is equal to A of I plus B of I. Nice this. When I value is equal to I and is equal to 0, A of 0 and B of 0 will be added and that will be stored in C of 0. If I is equal to 1, A of 1 plus B of 1 both will be added and it will be stored in C of 1. Like this 5 times it rotates and the C holds the output. Now to display that output, I'm going to have like this printf slash n. So this existent matrix is again slash n, right? So phi I is equal to 0, I less than phi, I plus plus. It's what I'm going to store, what I'm going to print this. Printf, so that is percentage t, percentage in the sense integer values. What I'm going to print the C of I. So 5 times this loop will rotate. In the first iteration, C of 0 will be printed, and second iteration C of 1 will be printed, and third iteration C of 2 you printed like the it goes. To have it loud, I'm using what slash and here. Then finally what, for example, this is return 0. Next. So I think I have done the program, right? Let us save this. So control yes, I'm going to store it in, for example, in desktop. I'm going to give it as matrix add, right? And it need to be the C file, that C file matrix add. So I have stored now. I've saved the file. Let us compile this. To compile this, I'm going to have like this. So compile. So it is showing the warning, right? I'm using return. There is one warning, right? Let us run the program now. Yes. Yeah, I got the screen now. Enter the elements for the first year. Let us say this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are all the 5 elements of the first array. Enter the elements of the second array. Thus, now I'm going to give this, for example, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So it need to print 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Like this, it need to print. Let us check it out. The prints like this. The result in matrix is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 7. So like this, you can do this. You can, if you want to change this program as a subtraction, right? Instead of A of I plus B of I, you need to change it here as we put as minus. So then let us save this and let us compile now. Yes, it has been compiled now. If you run this again, it asks for the first array, right? Now that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in second array, I'm going to give it as what? For example, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So for each value, 3 will be what subtracted and it need to display. You can see this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is working. Like this, you can change it this to multiplication or even for division. So this is a program to perform two-dimensional matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as division. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.